In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the equation of a line in Microsoft Excel. First, open your Excel file. Make sure your worksheet contains your X values and Y values arranged clearly in columns or rows so Excel can read the data properly. In this example, we're working with a simple data set that includes one range for X and another range for Y. Before entering the formula, it helps to quickly check that both ranges contain the same number of values, because that's important for getting an accurate result. Next, select two horizontal cells. This is necessary because Excel will return two values from the formula, one value for the slope and one value for the intercept. Once those two cells are selected, type the formula, enter equals, then linist, then an open parenthesis, followed by the data range for your Y values, then a comma, then the data range for your X values, and then close the parenthesis. In other words, you are telling Excel to calculate the linear relationship between your Y data and your X data. After typing the formula, confirm it the right way for your version of Excel. If you're using an older version of Excel, press Ctrl, Shift, and enter at the same time. That tells Excel to treat it as an array formula. If you're using a newer version of Excel, you can simply press enter. Excel will automatically spill the results into the two selected cells if your version supports dynamic arrays. Once the formula is confirmed, you'll get two values. The first value is the slope, and the second value is the intercept. These are the two parts you need to write the equation of a line. So your equation will be written in the form y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the intercept. That means you'll replace m with the first number Excel returned and replace b with the second number Excel returned. As a quick tip, pay attention to the sign of the intercept. If it's negative, your equation should reflect that correctly. Also, if the numbers contain many decimal places, you can round them if needed, depending on how precise you want your final equation to be. And that's it. Using the linist formula is a fast and reliable way to find the equation of a line directly in Microsoft Excel, especially when you're working with data and need a clear mathematical relationship between two variables.